Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo, who is sick with Elly the nurse. Let's start drawing. First I'm going to draw Elly the nurse. I start with her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. She wears a nurse's cap on her head. She has 2 big ears. She holds her arms like this. In one of her hands, she holds a bottle of medicine. In the other one, she holds a spoon. There is medicine in the spoon because she wanted to give it to the poor Pocoyo who is sick. Now I draw the bed here. And finally, I draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his little nose, his mouth, and then the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. I draw his body and his arms. He is sitting on the bed. I guess he doesn't like medicine. Very good. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Red for the cross. Let's color Elly. She's a pink elephant, so I'm going to use this beautiful pink marker. I color the medicine bottle with green. Brown. I use gray for the spoon. I used light red for his mouth. Now I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color with this blue marker. For Pocoyo's zipper, I use this yellow marker. I use aquamarine blue for the bed. The blanket is yellow. And I color the pillow light blue. Wow, very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.